guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to go and pick up a 1965 El Camino. I already looked at this car in the week and negotiated with the guy a little bit, and I kind of got my cash ready and everything to go and buy it, but he didn't want to sell it to me at a discount price, so I left it. So anyway, we came home, and long story short, he got in touch with me and said that he would sell it to me for that price that we negotiated. So anyway, we're on our way to go and pick it up now. It's about an hour's drive, so I wanted to take you along with us, and hopefully everything goes smooth. So when we get close, I'll show you where it is. The roads are pretty hilly around there. It's pretty cool actually. So anyway, we'll talk in a little while. Okay, we're getting close to where we're gonna go and pick up this El Camino. We're in Paso Robles, so this is kind of like winery country here, and we are going to turn off in a few minutes. I'm not familiar with this area, but I'll show you where it is. Quite a lot of traffic today. Thought it would be quiet, but I think people coming down to the coast. So this is where we are now. We're near the house. It's really, really hilly roads. It's like this the whole way. It's like a roller coaster. Really, really hill. It's in the middle of nowhere, really. The day we came to look, it was like 105, 108 degrees. Today's a cooler day. It's only about 80 degrees, so it's not too bad. Oh. Boy, you can't see over the top of the hills here. It's pretty just like a roller coaster. They're all kind of big acreage properties out here. I don't know what the acreage is. Probably some of them are like 10 and plus acres. I know one thing, I wouldn't like to drive this road at night. Okay, we're just going to come up on the property in a minute, but just wanted to show you, like down the road here, you can see that it's just like a kind of a small kind of lane, really. It goes on for miles, but very, very hilly. You cannot see what's coming over the other side of the hill. The drainage ditch there. We're near in the property now. It's all ranches and stuff. He's had it parked in like a kind of a, I don't know, like a barn, so it's been undercover. So anyway, when we get there, we'll show you the car. Okay, so we're finally here. This is the view from the property. Really, really nice.